Hello, today we will guide you through how to change profile picture in Booking.com. To get started, open Booking.com in your web browser. Make sure you are on the official Booking.com website and signed into the account where you want to update your profile picture. If you are not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in first so you can access your account settings. Once you are on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile account area there. Click on it to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to your personal settings and other account-related options. From the drop-down menu, click on My Account. This will take you to your main account page where you can manage different parts of your Booking.com profile. Depending on your screen size or browser, the layout may look slightly different, but the option names should remain the same. When the My Account page opens, scroll down a little. You do not need to go far. You are simply moving down the page until you can see the section that contains your personal information and profile settings. Next, click on Personal Details. This section is where Booking.com stores the information connected to your profile, including the area for your profile image. Opening this page allows you to make changes to how your account appears. Once you are in Personal Details, locate your current profile picture, or the default profile image if you have not added one yet. Click directly on the Profile Picture area. This will open the option to upload a new image. After that, click on Select File. Your computer's file browser will appear, allowing you to choose an image from your device. Take a moment to browse to the folder where your picture is saved. It helps to use a clear photo that is easy to recognize, since smaller profile pictures display best when the face or subject is centered. Select the picture you want to use. After choosing the file, return to the Booking.com page and review the selection. If everything looks correct, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, your new profile picture should update on your account. If you do not see the change immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or reload it once. And that's it. You have successfully changed your profile picture in Booking.com.